Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More kit. My daughter's going to be helping me by just putting all the items in the box right here. So let's get right to it. So yeah, it was Prime Day a few weeks ago, and I'd saved some money from my YouTube earnings. So I wanted to reinvest it in something that could provide more content, but also help to learn more about technology, engineering, flying, just trying out something new. So that's why I bought this. Let's see. So here's the drone. Here. And we'll be very careful. This is a cover for the gimbal and the camera. So that's obviously front and center right in the box. I'll get rid of this packaging here. And the second item that's here is the RC controller. Uh-oh, I accidentally pressed the button. Hopefully it's not gonna... Here, show that to the camera again. That's the RC controller here. There's another controller that you can get on Amazon which doesn't have the built-in screen, and you have to connect that to your Apple phone or your Android phone. These are spare propellers and screws. Here's a tiny screwdriver. I've never seen a screwdriver that small. It looks like an eyeglass kit screwdriver. And then obviously these are the charging cables. There we go. And then lastly, we've got a quick start guide. We'll try to read that today to set this thing flying, and then some more papers, probably some liability and warranty stuff. Let's see, what else is there? You know, a couple of these things, just desiccants to keep the box dry. And I decided to buy one of these. So it's a 256 gigabyte mini SD card to save footage. Now let's open the second box. So that's what's in the DJI Mini 3 Pro kit. That's in the box itself. This is the accessory box that adds a little bit more. So let's see. Okay, so this one came with a nice little box here. Looks like a carrying case. The main kit did not come with that, so let's see what's inside here. Oh man, okay. This looks like, let's see. It's supposed to have two batteries. The main battery can fly for, I don't know, 30 minutes or something like that. And this kit is supposed to give you two batteries. Here they are, two other batteries that will help you fly for a little bit longer. Supposedly like over 40 minutes. Let's see what's inside here. Here's a user guide for the Fly More kit. And actually, that's it. I thought it would come with a cord. Let me see if there's a cord here anywhere. No, that's it. There's a cord. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Gabby. All right, good. I read the instructions, and I was expecting to find a cord. There you go. And some spare propeller blades. I mean, people must be hitting these blades over different obstacles and losing them and cracking them and breaking them, because we've got several kits here. So let's put this here. Let's put them to the side on here. Put them in front of you. I'll put them here. So that's it. That's the unboxing. We've got here. This is what comes with the kit. We're gonna charge this today and see if we can have our first flight. Maybe go up and down to make sure that we can take off and land it. And then this is what comes with the Fly More kit. I'm gonna charge this right now and see how it goes. Okay, we've got them plugged in right now and we're charging them. Okay, so I was able to connected to Wi-Fi, and I had to set up an account with DJI.com. It connected this controller and the aircraft to my account, and then now it's directing me to a couple of guides on how to use the product. In this footage, I'm showing you my very first flight with the drone in our backyard. I read through the manual and watched a few videos, so I wanted to do a simple test. Although I'm still a beginner, I was excited to do it. My goal was to fly up above the our home, above the tree lines, and then try moving it forwards, backwards, left and right. I also wanted to spin the drone around and angle the camera down to look down at our home. It was fun, and I was really impressed at how easy it was. To start the drone's propellers, you have two options. One is to press the two joysticks down and inwards, or two, press the takeoff button on the touchscreen. In geometry, you can describe space using the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis, which is like the vertical axis. And the drone can fly on the x and y and z-axis, where the x and y-axis are on the flat plane, and it can also go up and down and spin around the vertical z-axis. This is important because the two joysticks do different things. The right joystick controls the drone on the horizontal plane that is parallel to the ground. That's the x and y axis. So pushing the joystick up makes the drone go forward, joystick down makes the drone go backwards, joystick left makes it move sideways to the left, and lastly joystick right makes it move sideways to the right. The left joystick controls the drone on a single GPS point on the vertical z-axis. Pushing the left joystick up makes the drone increase in altitude, joystick down decrease in altitude, joystick left makes it spin to the left, and joystick right makes it spin to the right. There are two buttons to control the drone's camera to either take videos or photos, and there are also two dials in the bottom of the controller. The left dial allows you to change the angle of the camera, pointing it up or down, and the right dial allows you to change the zoom of the camera. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. This was a great unboxing in my first flight. I hope to create more videos using this drone. It's really fun. Thanks.